Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best rubber band airplanes is probably one of the most exciting and educational toys you can find. These simple yet ingenious contraptions offer a fantastic opportunity to delve into the principles of flight, aerodynamics, and physics. Building and launching these planes is not only a blast but also a hands-on learning experience that sparks curiosity and fosters a deeper understanding of how things work. Number 5. Granite Mountain Balsa Wood Airplane Kits, for planes. Introducing a set of classic balsa wood airplane kits. These kits are designed for easy assembly, offering hours of fun for kids and adults alike. It's a great way to enjoy some good old-fashioned fun. These model airplane kits are proudly made in the USA. The package includes 4 planes in total, carefully protected in a cardboard box. You can build and fly them with ease. Included are 2 rubber band-powered propeller planes. Simply wind up the engine, throw it into the wind, and watch it soar. The wings help the plane fly up to 50 feet. Also included are 2 hand-launched stunt airplane flyers. With reinforced noses, they are designed to fly long distances with a simple throw, up to 25 feet. It's perfect for outdoor fun. Enjoy outdoor games with friends, like farthest throw or longest flight time. These toy plane sets are perfect for any event, from backyard barbecues to birthday parties. They also make great gifts. What we like. This set offers a variety of planes, including both gliders and propeller-powered models. The easy slot end tab construction means you can quickly get them assembled and ready to fly. If you're looking for a diverse set of planes for different flying experiences, this is a great choice. What people say. Remember old D.E wooden planes play with great for kids adults. These are so fun and have been for decades. Number 4. Granite Mountain Airplane Toys Set. This set includes a variety of airplanes. They are designed for easy assembly and fun for kids of all ages. The set contains balsa wood and foam airplanes. The balsa wood planes are packaged in a box to protect them. These planes use rubber bands to power their propellers. Simply wind up the engine and watch it soar. The glider planes are easy to launch. They can fly up to 25 feet with a simple throw. These foam gliders are lightweight and easy to handle. They are perfect for outdoor fun and games. These airplane toys are perfect for any event. Kids, grandkids, and even adults will have hours of fun. What we like. This set includes a mix of balsa wood and foam airplanes, providing even more options. With a bulk pack of 10 planes, there's plenty to share. If you're planning a party or need a lot of planes for multiple kids, this set is perfect. What people say. The rubber band airplane is easy to assemble. The plane flies well. The plane is made of durable materials. Number 3. GUILLOW'S Skystreak Twin Packs, 4 planes, plus patch. Get ready for high-flying fun with this twin pack. Each pack includes 2 Skystreak planes, for a total of 4. They are perfect for outdoor adventures. This product is proudly made in the USA. You can trust the quality and craftsmanship of these planes, knowing they are made with care. With 4 planes in total, there's plenty of fun to go around. Share them with friends or keep them all for yourself and enjoy hours of entertainment. Also included is a 412 Top Gun embroidered patch. It features a heat-activated adhesive back, making it easy to apply to your favorite items. These planes are great for kids and adults alike. It's a fantastic way to enjoy the outdoors and experience the thrill of flight. Get yours today. What we like. This option comes with 2 twin packs of planes, for a total of 4 planes. Plus, it includes a cool Top Gun patch. If you are a fan of the classic movie or want a unique bonus, this is a great choice. What people say. Easy to put together. I do recommend gluing in the tail pieces. That is the first place mine broke. Flies great. Fun, fun, fun. They really enjoyed learning how to put them together and fly them. Easy to put together. 0 issues with the planes. Number 2. Big Game Toys Skystreak Balsa Wood Airplane Glider. Introducing the Skystreak Glider from Big Game Toys. This is a set of 6 rubber band powered gliders. They are made of balsa wood, making them lightweight and easy to fly. The gliders are constructed from balsa wood, which is known for its lightweight properties. This allows the glider to soar through the air with ease. The design makes it easy to assemble. These gliders are designed for easy construction. It's a fun project for all ages. You'll have these gliders assembled and ready to fly in no time. The Skystreak glider is fun for all ages. Whether you're young or just young at heart, you'll enjoy watching it glide through the air. It's a great way to spend time outdoors. These gliders are proudly made in the USA. You can be assured of the quality and craftsmanship. Get yours today and experience the joy of flight. What we like. This set focuses on rubber band powered gliders, offering classic fun. The easy construction makes it simple to build and enjoy. If you are looking for a simple, classic, and fun experience, this is a great choice. What people say. Great fun. These bring back fond memories from childhood. Our granddaughter enjoys them. Number 1. TOYANDONA Rubber Band Powered Airplane Model. This package includes 10 glider planes, perfect for parties and sharing with friends. They're great for birthday parties, carnival prizes, or any fun event. Everyone can enjoy these. Each plane is 16 inches long and designed to glide smoothly. The propeller spins, mimicking a real airplane, and will captivate children. They'll love watching it fly. These toy airplanes are small and lightweight, making them easy to carry. You can take them to the park, a friend's house, or anywhere you go. It's convenient and fun. Made from wood, plastic, and paper, this toy is built to last. You can be sure that it's safe for kids to play with. It's designed for long-lasting fun. These planes help kids improve their logical thinking and hands-on skills. Parents can play with their children, guiding them and strengthening their bond. It's a great way to learn and have fun together. What we like. This set provides a large quantity of planes, perfect for sharing. They are small and easy to carry, so you can take them anywhere. If you are looking for a fun and educational toy, this is a great choice. What people say. Good work. We ended up using an online language translator and finally got the plane together, and flying. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.